Today we're just going to talk about Tesla for a little bit. Tesla, at the time of this recording, is around $300 a share. A steep drop off from its previous highs. And these past few weeks have just been a huge sell off for Tesla. I'm a Tesla shareholder. The company itself has a lot of headwinds, whether it's Elon talking or just car sales in general. So I think the market as a whole has just been looking to kind of sell off on Tesla on any bad news. And then you have the huge SPY pullback, and Tesla's didn't really need another catalyst to get sold off, but it's definitely using that to continue to sell. So today we're going to dive into where I think Tesla might be going with respect to stock price. We can look into their financials as well and see what might be, attributing to this pullback, and we'll look in the technicals to see what's a good buy area. We'll look at the different moving averages and the Bollinger Bands, but also we'll take a look at TradingView. All right, so looking at Tesla's 2024 annual earnings here, we only have a 1% rate of growth for their revenue from last year, from 2023. Their net income is at 7%. Last year it was at 15%. When you factor in their net profit, that's the money that they keep after all expenses are paid down with their overall revenue. So it's their top and bottom line. With them only having a net profit margin of 7% versus 15%, that means their expenses have increased. They made 1% more total than last year, but are actually keeping, 8% less of their money here. So that's a red flag. For the cash from operating activities, 13%. 2024 is technically a green flag for Tesla, with it being the 13% growth in cash. It's a little bit of a mixed bag for 2024 annual earnings report. So looking at Tesla's technicals here, we can see December, man, wow, hit the 488 top here, and then it kind of sold off here coming into the inauguration. And this red line here is the your 200 moving average, so it looks like it might be hunting that. Tesla, in theory, is oversold, but I think it does have a little bit more room to the downside here, maybe seeking out this 200-day average. So hopping over to TradingView to see Tesla's chart, I want to call attention to this October monthly candle. This body and this wick have not been tested, and when stocks are in free fall, they like to go back and back test these two candle valleys. So if you want to call your attention to this two candle valley, that was back tested and then held to move up to this area. They'll look for buyers that kind of step in. The daily can certainly be tested as well. So I definitely think this 273 to 262 area will be a good buy point. With Nvidia reporting earnings after today's close, if it's positive, it might actually hold Tesla up a bit from that 273 to 265 area. I think the market's really hoping that Nvidia's earnings are awesome, and it'll prop up the market for now. But if not, definitely look for that 273 to 262 area on Tesla. As always, be safe in the markets, and y'all take care.